What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with another video for you guys. Tonic down to that 30 million market cap range, 58k, 24-hour trade volume on the 1 year, having a retrace back down. You know, not a lot of people. There's some people that are bearish on Tonic here. They're like, when will it break out? When will it break out? We just started to see a move up in the markets, but then we had another retrace. Saw the market starting to cool off once again because everything was going up, and then boom, Michael Saylor decided to buy. He bought some Bitcoin, $347 million worth, and a lot of traders see that as an opportunity to start shorting Bitcoin. And again, like, you know, I saw my timeline, shorting whenever Michael Saylor buys never fails, right? These type of tweets on my timeline. So that's why we're seeing a bit of a retrace back down for Tonic. But you know, I'm just waiting for some type of news, maybe exchange listings, so we could start seeing more impulse moves to the upside for Tonic. I say just give it time, guys. We see a lot of altcoins that still haven't had that impulse up yet. You know, altcoin season could be right around the corner and just shock everyone. So use these opportunities, use these times of red days for DCA opportunities, in my opinion. From accumulator, this is what typical person who knows nothing about the market behaves like. When Tonic was up, everyone was buying because it was going up, and the trick is to buy at the bottom. After that, the sale will not give you anything. Cryptocurrencies are for the patient. Before you buy something, learn the market and what coins are for quick money. Tonic is a financial coin that is a long-term investment. If you don't like it and hope that in 2 days you will make 100 million, leave the market and don't come back. And I couldn't say it better myself, accumulator. I couldn't say it better myself. Tonic, hold, buy more, right? From Davo, unless we get a bit of a bounce back into the next couple of weeks, our 6-month chart is going to swing from plus 50% to minus 50% within a couple of days. Come on, Tonic, it's time to make a move. Now, this is the thing, right? Like I said, the team is still working. Tonic chart is still on point with the Crow ecosystem, still coupled to the Crow chart, in my opinion. All we need is some type of altcoin season, just like how Tonic absolutely just crushed it out of nowhere back here, right? That was in January. It had an impulse move. Whenever alt season comes back, that's when you'll see Tonic start to crush it. But the team definitely, like I said, could do some exchange listings, even if it's just low tier exchanges. That's a critique I'll have for the project, man. You know, make it a lot easier for people to buy, like a Mexi listing, Gate.io, you know, Bittrex, Bitmart, you know, Bybit. It could be low tier, it could be small exchange listings. I know they want to stay true to the Crow ecosystem, but you know, the easier it is for people to get into the project, the more we could see you know, the more we could see better trade volume, for one, better trade volume and better price action. You know, even if it's not for the price action, just do it for the trade volume, so the trade volume could have more of an increase, right? The more the trade volume, the more trade volume you have, the more activity you have within the ecosystem. More people might even research the Tonic project when it gets listed on these exchanges. Even if it's low tier exchanges, you could have more people join the Tonic ecosystem, the Crow ecosystem, you know, set up their Crow wallet and engage in like Tonic's DeFi utilities, right? So yeah, can't rule out that you know, that's my one critique, is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, guys, so again, in my opinion, you use these times for DCA opportunities. I know, man, these markets are super, you know, for certain projects, these markets are super boring. But like I said, there's always, I think I said this before, if I haven't, there's always a bull market somewhere. And this is why I say, you know, become a Patreon so you could get into projects that are breaking out. Use those breakouts, 2x, 3x, and then you get more Tonic, you know, in my opinion, right? That's gonna be first link in the description, guys. But yeah, so we could see having a retrace back down, DCA in if you can, guys. If not, just stay holding your bags, because all we need is alt season to come back. And I have a chart literally showing you that, right? Before we get into that, right, let's take a look at the Twitter. 64.2k Tonic followers. Do more with borrowed assets on single finance and Vino finance. Look at this. So remember, I covered single finance and when they made a thread about Tonic, and now we have a full-on partnership from single finance, Vino, and Tectonic. So they're building out this superhero power. You can see, like, look at the symbols on the women right here. They're building out this superhero, super stack DeFi collective, right? This DeFi superhero league. Like the Avengers of DeFi right here. The Justice League of DeFi. Great stuff. This is what I'm telling you guys. They're still building the projects. Tonic, Vino, these projects are still building, even if they're not getting crazy price action. Just wait until alt season comes back, you know, and then people are gonna be regretting they didn't buy these dips. Good morning, Chrono, Single Finance, Vino Finance, Tectonic Fi are joining hands on an El Crow mission. Get ready for enjoy double Vino rewards doing El Crow to Crow farming and El Crow lending with single finance. Check the article to learn more about this amazing opportunity. Wait, there's more. Tectonic just dropped some sick new rates for El Crow borrowing, like we're taking a 3.14% APY. That means you could scoop up Tonic while earning El Crow and Vino rewards. New to El Crow, here's a quick guide. The cool thing is you could use El Crow just like the regular Crow to earn yield farming rewards on single finance. And you can see a few people already here super bullish about it. Crypto Wizard, all Crowbin, emojis, man. And speaking of altcoin season, like I was telling you guys, take a look at what's happening in the space, right? I know these companies, these big bankers, these institutions are focused on Bitcoin for now, but it's only a matter of time until they're focused on crypto as well, right? But look at what's happening to, you know, the space. Institutional money is flowing into the space, and again, a lot of projects, especially altcoins with good fundamentals like Tonic, are tied to Bitcoin's price action, right? Tonic follows the Crow chart, which Crow obviously is tied to Bitcoin's price action. If we take a look, I'm going to show you guys, we could just take a look at it, man. When Bitcoin was breaking out in 2020, guess what happened to all the charts? Every single one of them exploded. I don't think Tonic has ever seen a bull run before. I don't think it's seen a bull run, which is super bullish, right? But look at this. In 2020, Crow started to explode for 2021 when Bitcoin started to run up to its second all-time high, when it ran for its second time. But even in 2020, you saw the breakout start to happen because Crow wasn't, I don't think it was listed yet in the 2017 time, but you saw the first breakout in 2020, starting to go into 2021 for altcoin season, which was around April of 2021. You saw Crow crush it to 20 cents, and then boom, Bitcoin was running all the way to 69k. Boom, Crow went all the way up to 89 cents, right? See that? Take a look. Bitcoin crushed it all the way in 2021 for April altcoin season, came back down, and then going into November, December, it started to crush it again to 69k. Well, 60, I think around 69k. Yeah, 69k, 67k in November the 9th. November the 9th of 2021, and that's, you know, Crow followed, right? Crow followed Bitcoin. See that? You know, so sometimes it's not all about outside catalysts, it's about price action in the king of altcoins. See this? November 23rd, Crow hit all-time highs, right? So it's about the king altcoin, the king crypto, the king of crypto making its move. When the king of crypto is super bullish, you know, that's when we see those altcoin season moves, right? That's what we saw with Crow. So when we take a look at this image right here, BlackRock, Bitcoin Spot ETF, Fidelity, Bitcoin and Ether trading custody, JP Morgan Chase, tokenized USD Euro transfers, Morgan Stanley, access to free Bitcoin funds, Goldman Sachs, OTC crypto trading, BNY Mellon, hold transfer Bitcoin and Ether, Invesco, Bitcoin ETF in Europe, Bank of America, Bitcoin futures trading, and most of all, the strongest one is BlackRock with its Bitcoin spot ETF. That's the potential for $15 trillion to flow into the crypto markets, man. Not just in Bitcoin. I think people have this closed-minded mentality and think the impossible can't happen in crypto, right? But guess what? If you were one of the people that got into Pepe early, in 2 weeks you could have made $1 million, right? So don't think the impossible can't happen in crypto. From Captain Toblerone right here. Total free altcoin market cap is at a level similar to that of last week of October 2020. From October 2020, that's when we got altcoin season, in April of 2021, around that time, March, April, right? And now we can see the same thing is about to happen once again. Altcoin season once again, right? Take a look at the Tonic chart. I don't think Tonic has ever seen a bull run. No, it hasn't. Has never seen a bull run. So be aware, man. Be aware. Total 2, Total 3 is all the altcoins grouped together, and Tonic is in there as a fundamentally sound altcoin. When Total 3 is going to $2.3 trillion overall, where will the Tonic price be? You know, don't rule out these possibilities, guys. I'm telling you. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for watching. I expect huge moves in the future for Tonic, even if we're having these down days right now. Just, you know, if you have it, DCA, man, not financial advice. If your bag's already packed, just chill and wait, man. This is what investing is about. You can't get rich right away. You gotta wait. You gotta be patient. That's just how it is, man. If you want to get rich right away, try to find the next Pepe. Go try to find the next Pepe on Uniswap and Dextools, Etherscan, right? But yeah, if you're an investor, like if you're a serious investor that is you know, taking a chance on serious altcoins with great utility and fundamentals, Tonic is one of those ones, man, in my opinion. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. And also, once again, join my Patreon for my crypto elite tier, where you get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and private Discord. You know, I'm sharing altcoins on there that could potentially give us some more gains, so we could add to our bags, or just hold them for the long term, right? Because I'm not gonna, you know, share any trash projects on there, right? So, you know, if you're interested, guys, join the Patreon. Thank y'all so much for watching. Once again, I'll catch you in the next one.